Check the insulin levels for the grey mare in paddock 7.
Reading confirmed, levels are stable.
The Frisian is cleared to move to the next gate.
Okay, I'm starting the diagnostic scan on the Mustang now. Easy now, watch your step. Come on, right this way, you're all right.
身份已确认，数据要记录。这是您的通行证。
Checkpoint 4, sterilization complete. Confirmed on the tablet. Ready for staging.
The sensors measure the precise thickness, allowing our team to sort the hides into the correct color categories for optimal use.
The temperature is holding steady, right on target.
Excellent. The rotation seems consistent as well.
Check the flow rate on line 3. Looks clear down here, but the pressure seems low. Check the flow rate on drum 3.
Levels are stable, optimizing the PHI 400 input now.
Check the readout on panel 3.
It's fluctuating. Stabilize the pressure now.
Almost there, line it up with the track.
Got it.
Okay, engage the rollers.
The temperature needs to stabilize at 45 degrees before we increase the flow rate.
Noted. I'll monitor the levels closely for the next cycle.
Check the sample clarity, please. Looks perfect, right on spec.
Here, the focus is entirely on preserving the natural integrity of the hide. Every piece is handled with meticulous...
Can we shift this pattern slightly to avoid that blemish on the grain?
Let me adjust the parameters. How does that look now?
synchronization is holding steady at 99.8% efficiency.
Good. The latest update stabilized the feed perfectly.
The bonding looks solid. Check the tolerance levels.
Running diagnostics now. Data is nominal.
We're seeing consistent performance here at the 25,000 mark. Noted. The load distribution seems optimal.
As you can see, the hydrophobic treatment is holding up perfectly under the spray.
Noted. The abrasion data is also looking consistent.
Check the inventory levels on the main console. We're running low on the X5 units.
Roger that. I'll send a request to the upstream team.
The manifest shows 20 units here, but I only count 19.
Hold on, let me rescan this tag.
Okay, it cleared. Good, let's move on. Everything looks correct. Go ahead and stamp section 4.
Confirmed. I'll upload the manifest now.